Good morning, all of you. I am Manish Sharma, Professor of Specialty Pharmacy. Today's our topic is physicochemical properties of in relation to biological activity. What relationship between physicochemical property of drug in our biological activity? Definition: the ability of chemical compound to elicit a pharmacological and therapeutic effect is related to influence of various physical and chemical properties of the chemical substance, the biomolecules that interact with the physical chemical properties and chemical properties. Physical chemical property of drug is responsible for its action and chemical property. The drug react with extra cellular according to simple chemical reaction like neutralization reaction, oxidization reaction, etc. Various physicochemical properties like solubility, partition coefficient, ionization, hydrogen bonding, and chelation, surface activity, isomerism, very different type of chemical physicochemical properties. Uh, if any changes in physicochemical property, then biological effect of drugs is change. Solubility. What is solubility? Solubility is defined as the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a given temperature. Example: 100 gram of solute dissolved in a 200 ml of water at a room temperature. Solubility: this is our solute and this is our solvent. It is a particular amount of solute dissolved in particular amount of solvent at a room temperature, that is called solubility. Solubility depend on the nature of solute and solvent as well as temperature, pH and pressure. The atom and molecules of organic substance are held together by various types of bonds. Example: hydrogen bond, dipole moment, ionic bond, etc. These fours are involved in solubility because it is the solvent, solute and solvent and solvent interaction that governs solubility. Method to improve solubility: various methods we can use for improve solubility of drug. Example: structure modification, alter the structure and molecules, and use of co-solvent like ethanol, sorbitol, PEG and PEG and PPG, and employment of use of surfactant. We can use a surfactant for enhanced solubility of our drugs in complexation. The importance of solubility. Solubility concept is important to a pharmacist because it governs the preparation of liquid dosage form, and the drug must be in solution before it's absorbed by the body to produce the biological activity, to produce the biological response. The drug must be insoluble from interact with receptor. Second is partition coefficient. What is partition coefficient? Partition coefficient is one of the physicochemical parameter which influencing the drug transport and drug distribution. The way in which the drug reach the site of action from the site of application. The partition coefficient is defined as equilibrium constant of concentration for unionized molecule in a two-phase. Drug soluble in lipid and drug soluble in water, that is called partition coefficient. Otherwise, we can say partition coefficient is a ratio drug dissolve in inorganic drug dissolve in lipid phase and drug dissolve in water phase. Factor affecting of partition coefficient: the pH, co-solvent, surfactant and completion. Hydrogen bond. The hydrogen bond is special dipole interaction between the hydrogen atom in a polar bond, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and an electronegative atom or oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine atom. Dipoles result unequal sharing of electron between atoms within a covalent bond. These are the weak bond and denoted as the denoted lines. OH bond and hydrogen bond and nitrogen hydrogen bond. The compound that are capable for forming hydrogen bonding is only soluble in water. If a compound having more hydrogen bond, then the compound will more water soluble. Hydrogen bonding is classified into two categories: intramolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular and intramolecular. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is it's occur between two or more than two molecules of same and or difference. Due to this increase, the boiling point of compound and increase the molecular weight of compound. Hence, more energy is required to dissociate the molecular for vaporization. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is hydrogen bonding occurs within two atoms of the same molecules. This type of bonding is known as chelation and frequently occur in organic compound. Sometimes hydrogen bonding develop in 6 or 5 member ring. Due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding decrease the boiling point of the compound. Effect of hydrogen bonding: all physical properties affected by hydrogen bonding, the boiling point and melting point, then water solubility of compound, strength of acid, spectroscopic properties or the surface tension and viscosity, and biological properties and biological product, drug receptor interaction. Chelation. Chelation, it is known as complexation. Complexation of drug molecules can't cross the natural membrane barrier. They render the drug biological infectivity. The rate of absorption is proportional to concentration of the free drug molecules. Example, diffusion of drug. Due to reversibility of the complexation and equilibrium between the free drug and drug plus drug complexing agent, it is known as drug complex. Complexation reduce the rate of absorption of drug but not affect its bioavailability. Importance of chelates in the medicine. Example, add hydroxyquinoline and it is analog act as an antibacterial and antifungal agent by complexing with iron and copper. The phenobarbital form a non-absorbable complex with phenylethylene glycol 4000, and calcium EDTA form a complex with increased permeability of the membrane. Ionization of drug. The most common factor it is related to biological activity of our drug. The most of the drug are either weak acid or weak base and can exist in either ionized and unionized state. Ionization, it is a protonation and deprotonation resulting in change the molecule, charged molecule. The ionization of drug depend on its pK and pH value. The rate of drug absorption is directly proportional to the concentration of drug at absorbable form, but not concentration the drug at the absorption site. The ionization form imparts good water solubility to drug which required of binding of drug and receptor interaction. Unionized form help the drug to cross the cell membrane. Example, barbituric acid is inactive because it is a strong acid, while 5,5 distributed barbituric acid has CNS represent action because it is weak acid. According to Henderson-Hansberg equation for acid pH, pK along ionized divided by unionized for the base pH, pK is equal to log unionized divided by ionized percentage. Ionization is equal to 100. When an acid or base is 50% ionized, the pH and pK, example, the solution of weak acid aspirin in a stomach and will get rapidly absorbed because it is in the unionized form 99%. Example, phenytoin injection must be adjusted to pH 12 with sodium hydroxide to obtain 99.98% of drug in ionized form. The tropicamide eye drops is an anticholinergic drug, has a pK of 5.2 and the drug has been buffered to pH 4 to obtain more than 90% ionization. Importance of ionization of drug. The weak acid at acid pH is more lipid soluble because the uncharged form of more readily passes through the biological membrane. Weak acid base alkaline pH more lipid soluble because it's unchanged in form. The uncharged form is more rapidly passes through biological membrane. Thanks. Next point we will discuss in next class.